finally in the garden. You're wondering what I'm holding here? Take a look. This is clay. Soil like this is no good. You can use this as a paperweight. No good. No oxygen getting in, nothing. Hardly even any moisture can get in that. So these are good for paperweights. So what you want to do is, if you got clay like I do here in Central Virginia, just get rid of them. Paperweights, no good. So I've raked out a few garden beds earlier today. I got, I don't know, 4 done. I got 3 left. This year is our second year gardening. Last year our garden was plentiful, but we didn't do any companion planting. Our tomatoes were just horrible. They were way too close. The airflow through the tomatoes were just horrendous. But since then, we have gained a lot of knowledge. This season, we're gonna try companion planting. There we go. Good morning. All right, so I measured out my rows. This first row I'm gonna do is gonna be sweet corn, sunflower, marigold, Kajari melon, some cucumbers, zucchini, and squash. So that stake right there is my stopping point, because the trails will be going right here. A little shovel marks the area where I am going to start planting some Black Beauty summer squash. Let's see, a spacing for that is about 2 feet apart. I'm gonna try and squeeze 2 plants here. That will mark where my zucchini is. Then I'll start some marigold on the outside. Today was a really good day. Finally got in the garden, got some seeds planted. Not much, but it's a start. Got some corn in, got some zucchini, marigolds, sunflowers. Need to get the trellising up. We're using hog panel and T-posts for our trellising. Need to get the tomato plants in the ground, the pepper plants. You know, I like to take my time and do good work. I want to make sure everything has the right amount of spacing. Last year's garden, it did great, but you know, like the tomato plants, like I said earlier, the spacing just wasn't that good. You know, we got to make sure that the spacing this year is maximized. That way the plants get the proper amount of airflow and sun. And we also got to keep the tomato plants pruned. If you guys like today's vlog, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell icon to get notifications on future uploads. Pretty soon we're going to be doing giveaways. So subscribe. That way you get a chance to win. And it's not going to be something rinky-dink neither. It's going to be something substantial. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. Stay safe. God bless. See you guys tomorrow.